Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a fresh perspective on hair care and beauty products, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing a product that's making waves in the wig world, the 30-inch 13x6 lace front wig with deep wave curls made from 100% unpressed Brazilian virgin human hair. It promises natural-looking volume, a soft and bouncy texture, and versatile styling options. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive in. This wig features a 13x6 lace front with HD transparent Swiss lace, which covers a 6-inch deep parting space. That gives you flexibility for creating middle parts, side parts, or even a high ponytail or bun. The hair is 200 density, which means it's quite thick, providing that voluminous, full-bodied look that many wig enthusiasts crave. It's made with deep curly waves, adding extra bounce and texture to the hair. The wig is pre-plucked, designed for a natural hairline, and can be styled just like your own hair, whether that means dyeing, bleaching, or even straightening. And if you're wondering about the comfort factor, the cap is adjustable with 4 combs, fitting head sizes between 21.5 to 22.5 inches. Now let's talk about real-world use. I tried this wig for a week, wearing it on different occasions to see how it performs. First off, the installation process is relatively easy. The lace front sits snugly against the scalp, and the adjustable straps make it easy to customize the fit. I appreciated how well the deep wave curls held up through the day, maintaining their bounce without getting frizzy or losing their structure. However, there were a few moments where I did notice some shedding, which is something to be mindful of when dealing with wigs that feature intricate curl patterns. The texture, though, was exactly what you'd expect: soft and silky, with no noticeable smell, and the curls were as voluminous as advertised. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other wig lovers can discover this video. Now let's go through the pros and cons. On the positive side, this wig offers excellent styling versatility. The deep parting space allows you to experiment with different hairstyles, and the lace is truly transparent, blending seamlessly with most skin tones. The 200 density ensures that the wig has plenty of volume and thickness without being overly heavy. The fact that it's made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair is another plus, as it means the hair is of high quality, giving you that natural look and feel. On the flip side, there are a couple of downsides. The shedding, while not excessive, is still noticeable, and the wig does require regular maintenance to keep those curls looking fresh. If you're someone who prefers low-maintenance hair, this might not be the best option for you. The wig is also on the pricier side compared to synthetic wigs, so if you're on a budget, that might be something to consider. When we talk value for money, it's all about what you're getting for your investment. The high-quality human hair, thick 200 density, and versatile styling options do justify the price, especially if you're looking for a durable and natural-looking wig. But as with any high-quality wig, there is a trade-off: more maintenance and care to keep it in top shape. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still want natural hair, you could consider other deep wave wigs that use synthetic blends or lower density hair. While they won't have the same realistic feel or styling versatility, they can provide a similar aesthetic at a fraction of the price. As far as build quality goes, the materials used are top-notch. The lace is breathable, and the combs are secure, offering a comfortable and reliable fit. Over time, I expect this wig to last with proper care, but as with all human hair products, longevity can depend on how often you wear it and how you maintain it. Customer service interactions are something I didn't experience directly with this product, but the brand has a reputation for providing good customer support. They offer guidance on how to care for the wig, and their return policies are customer-friendly. To wrap it up, the 30-inch 13x6 lace front wig is a high-quality human hair wig that excels in styling versatility and offers a natural, bouncy look with its deep waves. It's a bit high maintenance and may shed slightly, but if you're willing to put in the effort, it's a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for a long-lasting, stylish wig that can be customized to fit different occasions. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this product, You can find the link in the comments box below. If you already own this wig or have any thoughts, feel free to share in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Goodbye for now. Until next time, keep looking fabulous with Beautyistic.